Welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm Evan.
I'm Ryan.
And today we have the X-Wing, Poe's X-Wing fighter.
Yep, this is from the Star Wars Lego collection. Or the other way around, it's the Lego Star Wars collection. It's number 75102. That's the model number. This is a kit that has 717 pieces. What looks awesome about this? I mean, are you excited for the new movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is obviously because the X-Wings in the original movies were white with orange. So this is a black ship. So this is all. We haven't even seen the movie, but we're excited. On the back, it's got blueprints.
Yeah, and some things that you could do with the thing.
It shows the characters it comes with. There's the new figure BB-8. Anyhow, let's see what happens when we build this thing, right?
Yeah.
All right.
X-Wing looks like. This is some hovercraft.
This is like a sort of grounds crew. It comes with a ground crew for the shuttle. Comes with another pilot here.
And it has
inside, we've got the character Poe Dameron. And he goes in there, and look. So look here. Look at this goes up and down. That's pretty awesome.
We also have the new droid.
Yep, BB-8. Here, this is a ladder. That's what this is for. This is sort of like the crew. This opens up and shows more weapons, more of the rockets, and show the wings. Yeah, that's awesome. So if you hold it, yep, don't worry. Pop-Tart, awesome. Okay, turn. It's tight. Nice. Elastics, hold that together. And we're gonna, if you can catch this, it fires rockets and it fires rockets. So it's got a lot of articulation. Ev, come back. Too far away. Where'd you go? Here's the X-Wing. We'll see you next time.